Hey, welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today I'm going to show you how to work on a 2010 Toyota Venza. This is the V6 one. So this is the thermostat video. Here's the part number of this one. I got the Mahel, and the reason why I got that one is it's still 180 degrees Fahrenheit. But this one also comes with the gasket and that jiggle weep hole. And when you put this in here, you're going to have it up. Okay, you're going to have it upward like that. And then you're going to need a 14 millimeter 3/8 to get down there and loosen your tensioner down there to slip the belt off. Then take your 14 millimeter again and get your idler pulley, which is sitting right under this. And you need to get that out of the way so that you can take your 10 millimeter 1/4 inch drive and loosen the bolt right there. And the one that's just going to be up above it, but you're going to have to move your hose. Here's a little trick hack. I put a zip tie around it to hold the hose clamp. You'll just take a regular pliers and loosen it and put that zip tie on it to kind of help hold it. And I am just, as you can see, I'm about ready to pull this off. You'll want to get yourself a clean catcher so you can save some antifreeze and get yourself another gallon to top off. Now once you get this out of the hose out of the way, the idle or the tensioner pulley pushed off, belt slipped, then take out your idle pulley, then you can get to these two bolts down here and should be able to get this out. I'm going to reuse this housing because it's aluminum and it's still good. A little flush there. So customer's complaint is that not heating up inside the cabin. So I thought about the heater core, but in this case it's January right now and the thermostat's not opening. Okay, I hope this helps. I'm going to put a short pause and show you a little bit more when I get digging in. Okay, I got the two nuts out. And don't forget there's a washer there. And there's a washer on that side. So I kind of kept it together. Alright, we're ready to get a little bit of light here and let you see this. So now you should be able to get your thermostat. So I don't see no gasket there. Clean that up just a little bit, and then you can see the thermostat right there. And see that one has a weep hole too. So there you go. There you go. Just wanted to let you know you might want. Hopefully you have medium hands, not large, any bigger than a large, because there's not a lot of room here. And you're going to want to have your flattest 3/8 drive that you got, so you can get that in there. It kind of helped having some gloves. I know I didn't need all of this. I just needed a couple of things there. Pliers, don't need that to snip it. And now it's peeing all over, and I'm catching some of it as best as I can. Alright, well there you have it. You'll know what to do after this point. After I pop that out, you'll put the new one in right upward with that weep hole on the top. And then hopefully you'll be back in business. And you'll notice that this is facing you. There are some cars you get confused. Okay, alright, so far it's been an hour. I mean, you know, rounding up, but okay, hope that helps. Thumbs up. And this is on a 2010 Toyota Venza V6, which is that, what, 3.5 liter. So all right, hope that'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.